What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. So I'm here in the beautiful outdoors again, this time with another RC Carrera accompanied car. It's a pretty cute car. It's called the Green Wheeler T1. Check it out. It has its remote control, runs on two AAA batteries, and rocking here a 600 milliamp 3.7 volt battery. It's like your regular, you know, your 1.5 volt batteries, but this one is rechargeable, and you just insert it there and you drive. So let's get into this video and have some fun with this 12-kilometer car, by the way. So my friends, that puts this video to end. It was very fun and enjoyable playing with this car, this RC Carrera car. Its connection between the two has a range of up to 70 meters. It's a cute little car, great gift for little kids, especially that you receive a lifetime warranty, no questions asked, with this car anywhere in the world, meaning worldwide. So I had fun with it, got some nice cool things done with it. It's a really interesting car. Till next time my friends, hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out people. Bam!